This brother, I called at the 11 o'clock hour and I said, could you do me a favor, my brother? Could you write something encouraging for this mother? And he said, oh yeah, man, no problem, I'll have it done. So when this brother speaks, people freeze. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, froze Munson. Come on.
All right. How y'all doing? I was honored to do it, and I want to give honor to God and Brother St. Stephen and Pastor Bailey, Jim Blackwell, for everything you're doing. This is called Thank You. Thank you for speaking up against what's not right. Thank you for inspiring me to fight. Thank you for the love you've shown for your son. We're here to help you finish what has begun. America's still treating people wrong. America's where I live, but it don't always feel like home. Thank you for your voice. Thank you for making the right choice. Thank you for being a strong black mother. I stand with you because we are all sisters and brothers. And we understand that mourning is a part of the process for healing. I couldn't even imagine what you were feeling. So the least I can do is take a stand, because I know the struggle of being a black man. I know the struggle of being a black man in these United States. There was no love, so the crime could only be hate. I stand with you, sister, the best I know how. For your dedication, Brandon smiles. There are many before you that have stayed quiet. Without justice, there is no peace. No one can deny it. This is modern day, but some things are still the same. But this is it. 300 years is about over. It's time for change. Thank you for making it known that some things need to rearrange. Time of reflection helps us heal pain. Sister, continue to stay strong for all of us. Thank you for fighting for justice. Thank you for not throwing in the towel. Thank you for taking the first steps on this mile. Thank you for being a teacher. And thank you for fighting for your people. Young black men around the world really appreciate you. It's not often we see someone fight for the truth, because you can't keep treating God's people like they're not God's. I am thankful that we can anticipate seeing each other on the other side. It's time for change, in the words of President-elect Barack Obama. All in all, once again, I just want to say thank you for being a strong black mama.